Ila-ilahon ta this morning mga kapuso ang bag-ong nakoronahan nga Miss Philippines World Peace 2022 ang proud bisdak nga si Michelle Ilagan. Mayong buntag, Miss Michelle, and welcome sa ato ang programa GMA Regional TV Live. Kumusta ang kabuntagon sa ato ang beauty queen?
Yes, Ms. Cecil, good morning and good morning sa ato ang mga tigtan-away. Thank you so much for having me here. So far, I'm still trying to process everything and enjoying ang title as Miss Philippines World Peace.
First of all, congratulations for bringing pride sa mga Sugboanon, Michelle. Nisink in na ba nimo nga ikaw ang murepresentar sa umaabot nga Miss Philippines World Peace 2022?
Actually, Ms. Cecil, in all honesty, hangtod karon, I'm still trying to process sa tanang mga nahitabo because everything happened so fast. And it was just a little dream of mine to hold this title. But now I am declared and hailed as the new Miss Philippines World Peace. So I'm very much happy.
Can you bring us back to that moment when it was announced na ikaw ang makoronahan? How was it?
It was nerve-wracking, good, Miss Cecil. That moment, doon ako'y daghan kaayo nga mga what ifs in my mind. Nagpangutan na nga, what if I am not enough? What if I will not be chosen? Or what if I will not win one of the international titles? Pagtawag sa ako ang pangalan and ako ang municipality as the new Miss Philippines World Peace 2022, I am so happy. I cannot express the gratitude I felt at that moment. I was bursting with so much emotions, mixed emotions, good, Miss Cecil. But what I knew at that moment, nakaingon jud ko nga all of my hard works are paid off.
And isip Miss Philippines World Peace 2022, amo kang itest din sa ato ang programa by asking you beauty pageant-like questions, ha, Michelle? Are you ready?
I should be ready, Miss Cecil.
Okay, here's your question, Michelle. For you, when can you say that we have obtained world peace?
I can say that we have obtained world peace when there's already freedom, happiness, and harmony among all nations and within its people. And this will be possible if we think that it is possible. And we should start that peace within ourselves because we should be the change that we want to see in the world.
Nice. Spoken like a true queen. Ug tataw gayon nga nung ikaw ang napili, Michelle. Pero for you, unsay pinaka-paborito nimong part sa usa ka beauty pageant?
It's the Q&A portion, good. Aside from it's the most anticipated segment, Miss Cecil, this is also the part where we get to express our thoughts, to express what we believe in, what we stand for.
And now, Michelle, kauban ang ato ang mga viewers, mangayo mi og tulo ka tips on how to answer beauty pageant questions spontaneously.
Una, of course, just be yourself. You just have to be yourself. Second, you have to sound right. Bisagon sa panang imuhang isulti, basta kay kung unsay magawa sa imuhang, mao na gyud na. It can make you or break you. So you have to sound right. And lastly, you have to end strong. You have to have that message na maka-impact sa mga naminaw sa imo, including the judges, kung nga makaingon sila, you are worthy of the crown.
And thank you for sharing those tips with us, Michelle. Adu na ba kay gustong pasalamatan nga mga tao nga nahimong kabahin sa imuhang kalampusan?
Of course, this journey wouldn't be possible without the people behind my success, my handler, Ati Herbie Jumar for helping me and for trusting me sa iyang patience pod. The organization, the Miss Queen of Hearts Philippines Foundation, o para pod sa ilang mga gipadayon nga mga missions and charity nga nakadrive sa mua to keep on going pod sa kini nga competition. Of course, ako ang family na nagsuporta sa kuha, my backbone and my strength. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. Thank you so much. And I will do my very best, good, for the upcoming year and the upcoming competition to make you all proud because I want to show the rest of the world na kitang mga Bisaya, we are internationally mapasigarbuhon. And this time, Bisaya na pod.
Congratulations once again, Michelle. Daghang salamat and good luck kanimo.
Thank you, Ms. Cecil.